Forget everything you think you know about Italy. It's more than pizza and pasta. It's a living museum and cultural powerhouse, from bustling piazzas and espresso bars to artisans at work. And in this guide, we're counting down 20 essential places you can't miss. From the sun-drenched cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, where villages cling to rock above electric blue water, to the sky-piercing spires of the Dolomites, carved by time and made for hikers and dreamers. Pack light, this ultimate itinerary is built for adventure, authenticity, and unforgettable moments. We'll reveal the local secrets for avoiding crowds, saving money, and finding the single best cacio e pepe in Rome. Let's start our journey in the timeless heart of the Roman Empire. We start with Rome, the Eternal City, a place where ancient history literally rises up to meet you at every corner. The sheer scale of the Colosseum and the Roman Forum is something no photo can prepare you for. Next, we move to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Stand in awe of Brunelleschi's dome. Its engineering remains a wonder of the world centuries later. To appreciate the city's power, visit the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Da Vinci and Botticelli. Don't skip the lesser-known Bargello Museum for exceptional sculpture. Just outside Florence lies the iconic landscape of Tuscany, the Val d'Orcia. This UNESCO site is defined by perfect rows of cypress trees and ancient hilltop towns like Pienza. The Chianti wine region is a must for any food lover. Experience the medieval energy of Siena's Piazza del Campo, a city famous for its dramatic horse race. Venice, the floating city, is one of the most unique places on Earth, entirely built on water. Early mornings are best to see the canals before the cruise ships arrive. The majesty of St. Mark's Square is overwhelming, bordered by the spectacular Doge's Palace. Use the Vaporetto, water bus, to get around like a local, saving time and money. Escape the crowds by taking a short boat ride to the islands of Burano and Murano. Burano is famous for its vividly colored fishermen's houses, perfect for incredible photos. Naples is raw, vibrant, and the undisputed birthplace of pizza. Dive into the historic center to find the original simple perfection of true Neapolitan pizza. From Naples, visit the haunting ruins of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Vesuvius in 79 AD. It's a powerful, sobering lesson in history and mortality. The Amalfi Coast offers some of the most dramatic coastal scenery in the world, with towns clinging to the cliffs. Take a bus or rent a scooter to navigate the winding roads for the best views. For a complete contrast, head north to the towering, jagged peaks of the Dolomites. This alpine range is a hiker's paradise in summer and a ski haven in winter, offering breathtaking scenery far from the heat of the south. Our next destination is the stunning Cinque Terre, 5 colorful fishing villages perched on rugged cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea. The only way to truly explore them is by train or by hiking the scenic coastal trails. This area is famous for its pesto and delicious seafood caught daily. Remember to purchase the Cinque Terre card for unlimited train travel between the 5 unique towns. Now we fly south to the island of Sicily, a cultural melting pot where Greek ruins meet Baroque cities. You must see the majestic, active volcano, Mount Etna. Explore the ancient Greek theater in Taormina for unbelievable views of the coastline. Don't leave without tasting the famous Sicilian street food, especially the Arancini rice balls. Returning north, Lake Como offers dramatic alpine scenery combined with exclusive luxury and elegance. Take a ferry to visit the charming lakeside villages like Bellagio and Verona. Milan is Italy's hub of finance and fashion, offering a sleek, modern contrast to Rome and Florence. Visit the incredible Duomo di Milano and the opulent Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. If you plan to see Da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper, book your tickets months ahead. They sell out instantly. Milan is proof that Italy is always looking to the future. Next is Bologna, known as the culinary capital of Italy and home to the world's oldest university. Wander through the covered arcades and climb the medieval Asinelli Tower for great views. This is the city of ragu, Bolognese sauce, where the food is rich, authentic, and relatively inexpensive. The young, vibrant student population gives the city an energetic atmosphere. We briefly return to Florence to suggest a secret spot, the Ponte Vecchio at dawn. This bridge is famous for the shops built along it, especially the jewelry shops. Head deep into the heel of the boot to Lecce, the Florence of the South. This city is famous for its elaborate Baroque architecture carved from soft local stone. Nearby, visit Alberobello in Puglia to see the unique trolley houses, whitewashed buildings with conical stone roofs. This fairy tale village looks unlike any other in Italy. The final extraordinary destination is Matera, one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited settlements. The ancient Sassi cave dwellings are incredibly striking and often used in films. Italy is not a country you visit once. It's a country you return to, drawn back by the history, the art, and the food. Use this guide to plan your journey and embrace the Italian chaos. Whether you choose the Roman ruins or the Dolomite peaks, Italy promises an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ultimate travel guides.
If your flight was delayed or canceled, My Sky Help can help you get compensation, up to €600. No stress, no upfront payments. Just fill out your flight info on our website and our team will handle the rest. Our commission of 25 to 28% is deducted only after the airline pays you. Visit myskyhelp.com.